Hi friends, good morning. And see, this is Bank Nifty futures chart. Okay, May contract. Okay, see, I would like to share you some very important information on both Bank Nifty and Nifty. There is some news saying that there might be a new bottom which is in place. Okay, new bottom in the sense below the recent low. Okay, this is weekly chart. Okay, whenever we are going for a long-term view, we always need to check the levels on weekly. Monthly is very good, but weekly is the utmost thing one has to look into, because as see, previously monthly options were there, right? So now weekly options are also there. So that's the reason weekly has a high prominence. Okay, means all the institutional traders will look into this weekly charts only mainly. Okay, focus. So just look at these candles after this fall. Okay, see here a bounce, right? This bounce is not touch the recent. Okay, I'm just taking the not a swing but the fall due to coronavirus. Okay, this is because of corona. uh, Means the sales were not there, the quarterly results were not good, and even the economic slowdown was there. All the things happened and it came from 30,688 to 16,000, if you can see here, right, clearly. So I just placed the Fibonacci here. Fibonacci I have drawn from the recent high to recent low. Actual recent high is this thing. Okay, you can also draw from here. Okay, but the only reason I have taken from the first beginning is the fall has happened from here. If you observe, okay, clearly if you observe, after a green candle it has taken the green candle here, and this fall has taken from here, right? If you observe clearly, so that's the reason I have taken from this level. But okay, so let me come to the point and just give some information to you guys so that it will be very helpful. See, anything, okay, anything below this, anything below above that, okay, I don't want to tell those speculation kind of stuff, but I'm telling you, if you see a red candle here, okay, just go keep on shorting until a news comes from the RBI. Okay, till this point of time, 16,000. See, there are 2,000 more points downside if you see here. Okay, no matter, until the RBI comes up with some news, you can short it. Remember that. Okay, because this red candle has taken the orders here also. There are no pending orders here. Understand? There are no pending orders here. There are only pending orders here only. In the sense, the big hands bought here, again they might buy here only. Understand? They won't buy here or buy here. This red candle came down and it has taken the orders. That's the reason initial move was still here. Again a fallback came here and it moved upside. Okay, if you understand properly. So now, is there any stop below here? No, no stop. So there will be a direct landing in the this week. I don't think so, hopefully, but see, anything might happen. Okay, the next support is, if you take off this VIX low, this is the next support today. For example, it is 18,000. So 270 points downside is there. Even now also we can short. Remember that, because people think that there might be a intraday support. Yeah, definitely an intraday support will be there, but it's not a technical support. It's a news based support. In the sense, a finance minister or the Indian government might take a decision to boost the economy, so that they will be giving some kind of uh, new things, okay, which will help the uh, all the sectors. Okay, means it might be health sector, it might be auto sector, it might be NBFC banking sector. That's okay. That's what they do. That is the support. There is no technical support, remember that. And one more thing, there is no fundamental support at all. Okay, so see, as of now we have seen just 10 rupees downside already, and it will go down. Bank Nifty 100 points downside also, it will happen 3 minutes. Okay, so shorting now is a good idea, but always keep a stop loss, because I'm telling you, right, there we might get a news anytime, but when the news will be get into the market, we don't know. Only institution guys will be knowing that. That's the reason we have to keep a stop loss on the above side. Okay, so until then, until that point of time, if you do anything, okay, it will be okay. Just have a look. Okay, so only shortings will be done, and S2 is there right now. So where is S3? We'll see. S3 is at 17,767, but we are expecting 18,000, right? So see 18,000, another 260 points downside. Hopefully today only it might happen. Okay, it's not hopefully also. If one more leg downside taken, it will happen today only. Okay, so I just want to share this with you guys so that you will have a clear-cut idea. Okay, and remember one more thing. Okay, until there is a proper confident statement from the Prime Minister of India and Finance Minister, we not gonna see any kind of bounce back in the market, because as of now the market absorbed everything, okay, including virus, vaccines, results, all that stuff. So it will go down further to retest this low also. If by the time it is going to retest these levels, if RBI boosts with some unprecedented news, which is something like the biggest bonanza ever happened to Indian economy, then we gonna see a very good green bar till this recent high. Means a 4,000 point up move we can see till 61.8% again. Okay, that is the highest risk for any shorter here. That's the reason option sellers as of now, I mean to say option buyers, are very much not taking positions on the downside. They are also waiting for some kind of up move so that they can short. Okay, but my point of view is different here, saying that we gonna short it in the on the index, directly on the futures. Okay, and we gonna target this next leg downside. Okay, until RBI comes up with some kind of news. So this is what I want to share. Okay, and see, based upon your risk appetite, you can always trade for 50-70 points on the Bank Nifty any point of time, and don't overreact on the news, because until a news comes in, no one can stop this Bank Nifty to fall to these levels. Remember that. Okay, they are weak and they will remain weak. Any bounce also will be taken downside only. Okay, thank you, and I'll be coming up with something very important on CPR. Okay, means central pivot range, as some of the followers has asked me to do. Okay, thank you.